How to change your Facebook name. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook name. Now changing Facebook name is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Now simply tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen here below the message icon. Once here, what you want to do is head into settings icon and here tap on settings icon and you'll be headed into settings and privacy. Now head into the first option, personal and account information, and simply tap on the name option that you can see. Now here you'll find your name. Now simply delete your previous name, first name and surname, and add a new name that you want to add. You can add first name, middle name, surname, and then simply tap on review change. And once your name is reviewed, it'll just take few seconds, and if the name is available, you'll be able to change name by simply tapping on change name. So this way you can change your Facebook name. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.